As per the search results, there is no official launch date for the iPhone 15 yet. However, there are various rumors and speculations regarding its features and possible price points. Some reports suggest that the iPhone 15 could have multiple models, including a standard 6.1-inch model, a larger 6.7-inch model, and a 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro with a third zoom camera and a premium price tag. Based on the search results, the release date for the iPhone 15 is still not officially confirmed, but rumors suggest that it may be released in September 2023. As for the price, there's also no official news, but predictions suggest that it may be similar to the current prices of iPhone models, with the entry-level model starting around $799 or $849, and the Pro version starting at around $999. However, it is important to note that these predictions are not confirmed and may be subject to change. It is best to wait for official announcements from Apple regarding the release date and pricing of the iPhone 15.